Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energy, Capricorn, we are picking few cards. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have coming right after this general energy, Capricorn. So we have Lovers, Moon in reverse, and Seven of Wands. So Capricorn, in your situation today, guys, you are facing some obstacles, some stressful situations. So it may be in your career or in your personal life, in this relationship. So there are people who are not telling you the truth, some kind of deception in your situation, in your career, maybe, guys. So you need to be really careful. Think clearly for yourself before you make some important decisions today, guys, Capricorn. And I see maybe for some of you, you are making some mistakes, maybe some wrong decisions. So if you are into some important decisions today, you have to think it through, guys. And you are making lot of efforts in your situation, struggling really hard to make things go in the right way. And you are a person who stands for what they believe. You have your own ideals and rules, so you adhere to that rules strictly, and you have that courage and confidence, and you are in a very good position today. Maybe you are struggling, but still your circumstance is something like an advantageous position for you. So these difficulties are bringing out the positive things in you, guys. Maybe your skills and talents are becoming sharpened today because of the stress or struggles you are facing in your situation. Maybe for some of you, you are in a new love, you are in a new connection today. Maybe a new person is approaching you, they are interested in you, or it may be a new business venture, some opportunity, maybe a partnership or collaboration. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So we see a very positive energy with these cards, guys. So you may be facing some difficulties, but that is nothing to be worried about, because we see that this circumstance is going to work in a positive way for you. So the outcome will be something positive, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. For your general energies, if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy. So that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally, because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow what to say, making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person. And maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person, you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection, there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of water, magician, and hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts, not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.